Good day, everyone. Welcome back to BST African Electronics Surgery. And we have something interesting. We have this. You see this sound bar. This is a Samsung sound bar. Let me see the model. Samsung sound bar model HW-T450. This died after domestic violence. Yeah, the story is so interesting. The wife was fighting with her husband, and finally, you know, when a wife is angry, can do anything. So what he did, he tried to beat the husband with this sound bar, and the power supply got broken. This power supply is in two pieces, so the fault is very obvious. So what I can do, let me check out the power supply, and we'll see the kind of damage that was caused by domestic violence. You know what? You can get angry, you can do whatever you do, but for those who are in marriage or those who are couples, please just stay away from domestic violence. It won't end well. So let me strip out this sound bar which came in as no power, and we'll try to fix it. So that's the power supply which broke up. You can see here. Yes, broke up the power supply. So this fault is obvious. We have to rejoin all the tracks here. But why do people do violence? Why? Because at the end of the day, the cost will come back to you again. So the power supply is broken. This is just a switching power supply where we have the input. So the high voltage is not passing to the other side of the board because the PCB board broke into two pieces. So let's see how we can fix this. Let's see how we can fix this. I'm sure this has to be a fast repair based on the problem that is obvious. So here, that is the first broken track here for the live, if not neutral. So we have one joint here. We have one joint here. And we have another broken line here for the live and neutral. And here we have like one. We have one here. We have two. We have 3, 4, 5 broken lines. So let's do the job. Flux. All we need to do is to join this board After joining, we can use hot glue just to ensure that nothing will happen again. After we have joined this board, and here that's for the neutral. That's good. Here we have two more. We have two more tracks here. So all what we are doing here, we are just joining all those broken tracks. We have one more here. Okay. So I'm sure this can come back to life. I'm sure this can come back to life. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. We join all the tracks and I'm sure I must have a working power supply. Let's check what we have on the output. Maybe we can see something. Plugged in. We have this connector here. This has nothing. We have another connector here. I can't see any voltage. Let's check voltage on the big capacitor. 318 volts. So if we have voltage on the big capacitor, it means the voltage is now passing. So what we can do more, we can come with hot glue, that just to ensure we have a nice power supply again. Just to make sure. And here at the back, that's fine. So what I want to do, I want to put everything together and then we'll come back for the final test. So it's now time for testing. I put all together. We have I don't have my phone with me here, so we use a flash. So let's plug the AC here on same point where we plugged some before. AC plugged and it's on. You hear the sound quality? It's working. Volume. Let's lower the volume. USB. It's working, huh? So that was an easy repair. Just to join the power supply which was broken, and now we have a working Samsung soundbar again. So in other words, I would say I know there are some misagreements that might happen between partners, but stop domestic violence, because this customer is now paying. You are now paying twice. You pay for the first time when we were buying the sound bar. Now it's broken, you have to pay again. Just a matter of wasting time and money. So our sound bar is fixed. It's fixed, our sound bar is fixed. I'm sure we can play just for the last time. You hear the sound quality? It's working. So yeah, that was the repair which I was having here. I'm happy I managed to restore a broken power supply. This is a switching power supply which was broken. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates, and see you on the next game. Bye.